Hello everyone, I'm Baby J. Esquivel of Capas National High School. And today, I'm going to demonstrate to you on how to draw the front and back pattern of Ladies Trouser. These are the materials needed. We need the tape measure, in taking body measurement, and also in altering pattern. L square, drawing perpendicular line. If in case you have no L square, you can use also the ruler. We have hip curve, used in shaping the hip curve. Press curve, shaping the crotch. Pencil and eraser. Scissor. And this time, we'll use the marking pen so that you can easily, or the markings are visible. We start with, we're going to make a perpendicular line using your L square. Okay, draw a horizontal line and another vertical line to make a perpendicular line, and the corner is your point A. Okay, the measurement needed, we have crotch. Use the full measurement. We have also the second hip, 1/4 of your second hip. I have 7 here. 1/4 of your waist. The waist is 24, divide 4 is 6. 1/4 of bottom width. So 3. Okay, you use the full measurement of your length of pants, which is 29. Okay, from point A, measure using your tape measure. Measure 9 inches measurement for your crotch, and this is point B. From A downward, get the length of your measurement, 29. From B upward, measure 4 inches and mark this as point D. Then, we're going to make horizontal line from point D going to right. Horizontal line from B going to right. And also at the bottom from the point C, horizontal line going to right. Okay. The line A is your waist, location of your waistline. Line B, location of second hip. Line B, location of your crotch. And line C is location for the bottom. Now, from B going to right, get the 1/4 of your second hip and mark this as point E. From point E, measure 1/2 going to right and mark as point F. From point F, measure 1 3/4 and mark this as point G. After getting that, we're going to divide the line from B to G, and the middle is your point H. Next, extend the line from point H going to line A, then downward going to line C. And this line is your center line, or what we call crease line, or in Tagalog is abulod. Okay? The center or intersection of A and H is your I. From I, get 1/8 of your waist. We need kasi 1/4 of your waist. So, going to J and going to K, 3 inches and 3 inches. So, your waistline is 6 inches, 1/4 of 24. Then, after getting the K, connect, going to F. Connect F to K. Intersection of D and line F is your D1. Next procedure, from F, measure 3 inches to get F1. Okay? Next procedure, connect now F1 and G using your French curve. And this is your crotch line. From D1, get 1/4 of your second hip. Okay? 1/4 of second hip is 7. And this is your D2. Okay? Connect now J to 2 or J to D2 using the hip curve. Okay? Next procedure. The intersection of line H and C is your L. 1/4 of your bottom width is 3 and mark this as point M. To the right side naman, another 3 inches for your N. This is your bottom. Then connect. Connect the line from M going to D2. Then, ayusin na lang dito. Okay? This is your outside seam. This is your crease line. And now, connect the inseam using the hip curve. Oh, yes, from G going down to N. And this is your inseam. So our pattern for the front is already done. And after drafting, you can now go to cutting or cut the pattern from letter G. This is your pattern for the front. J, I, K, going to D1, then F1 to G. And remember, in cutting pattern, be sure that you follow the lines. Huwag kayong mag-exceed or huwag kayong lalabas or papasok pag kukulang yung measurements natin. Going to N. Then M, L, M. From M, going to letter D2 up to letter J. Now, this is now your pattern for the front pattern of ladies trouser. Then next is we're going to draft the pattern for the back, and we will use the front pattern in order to make your back pattern. Okay? Okay. Next is, we will drop now the back pattern. And as I should say, we need the front pattern. So, you trace the front pattern in another sheet of pattern paper. Then, transfer the line of A, line of D2 and D3. Also, transfer the line of your crotch, and you transfer the line of your bottom. Okay? These are the construction pattern natin, foundation pattern. Okay. What is next letter in our first pattern? Letter N. So next letter is letter O. From line K and I, divide into 2, and the middle is your point O. Then, you connect point O. Instead of black, I use the red one so that you can distinguish the front and back pattern. So, you're going to connect now O to letter E. Okay? With an extension. Approximately 1 1/2 inches. Because from O upward, measure 1 1/2 inches to get your letter P. From letter P, get 1/4 of your measurement for your waist, which is 7, plus 2. Yung 2 natin is for the additional of the dart. And this is your Q, letter Q. Next, from D3, intersection of E and O is D3. From D3, measure 1/4 of your waist, hips, should say. 1/4 of hip is 7 plus 1/2 inch. So this is your R. 1/2 inch if you are slim, and if you are chubby, you can use 3/4 or 1 inch, depending upon the figure of an individual. Okay, now, from letter M, measure 1/2 inch going to left, and this is your point R. From N, going to right, this is your point P. S, excuse me, this is S. Q, QR, S, and this is T, yes. This is correct. This is T. From G, going to the right, get 1 3/4 to get letter U. Then downward 1/2 inch to get your point B. Okay? Connect now D3. Connect first the V and E, then shape the crotch line using the bigger one, the bigger French curve. Okay, from D3 going to B. Then connect using hip curve U going to letter T. Okay, and connect Q and R using hip curve, and use this straight measure the ruler or L square to connect R and S. Connect also P and Q. This is your pattern for the back. P, Q, R, S, T, V. Going to the R up to P. To cut the back pattern, cut the pattern from point Q going to P to O down to T3. You follow the red mark, yung red markings natin for the back pattern, and be sure you follow the lines to make your pattern accurate measurement. From letter V going to P, okay, P, and S to T, then letter M back to letter Q. Be careful in cutting the pattern and always remember follow the lines so that we can make our trouser correct and accurate measurement. So these are the pattern now. This is your front pattern and this is your back pattern. What you can see, the front pattern is smallest than the back. Then if you want, you can get or you can use also the allowance for the dart. Get the midpoint of the Q and P. Ano yung kasunod natin kanina letter? V. W. Make this as W. Then downward, measure 5 inches, almost slanting point. Then connect. This is point X. In between 5'8" and 5'8". This is W. Then this is Y. And this point is Z. Then connect now. K and Y X to letter Z to manifest your dart or to form your dart. So, that's all. Thank you very much for watching this video. The back and the front pattern of ladies trouser. Okay, again, I'm Fred Esquivel from Atas National High School.